I'm on Starbucks right now and I'm waiting for Sam kasi hindi na ako nag-vlog Sam kasi I was like late na rin. So, I'm just waiting for her. We're gonna grab coffee and we're gonna head to class natin. So, yeah, I'm just gonna wait for her a bit and I will come back. Yeah. Taray, Starbucks na pala siya sa counter. Ang init niya, no? Ang init niya, nayupi rin siya.
May caffeine mo.
Oo, maraming caffeine yan.
Vocal ko. Kahapon.
Ay, di ba? Sorry. Ako, bye.
Talaga ba? Pero
Bye.
hindi ko
Hindi, bye lang.
bye lang.
Bye lang.
Tingin nga.
Mas mura yung mga bilihin. Why? Because most of the time you can just get your plants or your vegetable aging earlier. You do not have to pay taxes.
Ay, tagal po.
How much is the
What the fuck?
Nangyari sa inyo.
Bro, yun yung hentai.
Opinion lang. Check. Pause clear, bro.
What the fuck?
Yeah, no, you look... Naiintindihan ko siya. Naiintindihan ko. Parang ano lang. You look like an anime girl.
Waiting for you.
Okay, Seth. Ginanon siya.
Ginanon na ako, tapos ginanon pa yung
Hinila siya sa buhok. Wow, kinky.
Bro, are you what the fuck?
Ano po yung hawak niya?
Alam po, ako po yung nasa first page. Dito po sa
Ano, patingin, patingin. Ayan ka. Cookie.
Para ba naman prepared sa...
Hi, I'm going home na. Kasi, yeah, ako. I'm almost home. Naglalakad na ako pa uwi. And bigla ako hinanap ni Kenny. Oh my God.
Hi. So, alam ko ano oras na, but I think it's around 4:30. I got home like 2 hours ago. Nagpapar ako and I also fixed my nail. Ako din gumawa and then ako pumunta ng salon. I then go back to the kasi it was gonna be expensive. I showered and I tried the curly hair routine and I'm kinda loving it. I'm kinda hearing the frizziness. I don't know, I think I need more practice and stuff. And yeah, this is my hair, wavy. My hair is actually like wavy naman talaga. But I grew up like thinking my hair was like straight. So now that I have the proper hair products, thank you Ate Sab. They give sa akin na Ate Sab yung hair products. So yeah, ayun. I'm loving it kasi it gives volume. It makes my face look
Hey guys, ako mamaya na sumunod na. Ano ka 7-Eleven?
I'm all alone na naman. Nauna na naman ako. Hello? Ang bait ko ba? Kaya nauuna ako dito. Like, ano ba? Okay, I went to 7-Eleven. I bought food.
So, babalik ko. Hindi pa naman babalik. Kumain.
Chismosa. Uy! Sep, ano ba yan, Sep? Oh my God, may signal dito?
No, sabi ni mama, hindi ka lang daw race ko. Sabi madali lang daw.
Mama mo nag-order.
Oo. Kaya pala. Oo.
Hello, ang cute!
Yeah, jelly siya na strawberry na para siyang... Alam mo yung condom na hinampawakan mo?
Bad influence.
Mag-isa na lang daw siya, tara headlockin natin. Swag! Ayun ang McDo, I can see the M. Saan? Ayun o. Bulag ka. Tara ta!
Alam ko, don't care what other people say about me.
Sabi ko, thinking dapat sila kapal.
Sa likod na. Sa likod na espalyo talaga yun. Any sunod. Daddy ko naman po. Ang cute pa ng SB nila, no?
Hello everyone.
He's grabbing all the attention. We're just walking and everyone is looking at him. It's true! Got my kabayo. Uy! Kagat kayo ah.
Pasok ka dyan.
Magkano pa ata ito, pre?
It's such a dog.
Ay, no, isla.
Isda ba yan? Hindi.
Laki oh, ay no. Dalag
Ay, ayun na.
Tender oh. Ako hito, pre. Dalag yan.
Isda. Wala. Wala. Okay, I'm just trying to get as much clips of me in blue because I know it's gonna be a long time. Again, susuotin ko to kasi I barely wear colors, okay? I only wear black or like white. Occasionally red, okay? Pero yung colors na ganito, God, I look so cute. I look so cute. This is actually my favorite color. Ngayon ko lang siya nasuot ulit. I've worn this once last year. and I didn't like the memory of it. So, new memories with this dress. So, yeah. Ano lang, ang cute ko lang. Like, legit. You always see me in black, so this is like color. It's a pop of color. I've been sitting here for like an hour. Whoever said crocheting is easy, they haven't encountered this shit. Whoever said it's relaxing, haven't encountered this. I can't find any part of this. I'm making like roses, and I can't find. King, what's that?
Carioca.
Explain.
Pag na-siyan mo,
It's. What's it?
Glutinous rice with
With.
crystallized sugar.
Y'all, got me a date, like, right now. So, on the way ako. Taas na. Ay, bakit girl siya? Ngayon tour ako. Galing! Okay, good morning. It's Friday and I have class around 8. Pero pupunta muna ako ng Starbucks. I'm gonna wait for Sep. We're gonna get coffee. Starbucks right now. I'm gonna wait for Sep. Sa Tamesa pa siya. So, I'm gonna wait here for like a couple of minutes. Siguro mga 30 minutes. We're just gonna hang out kasi 8 pa yung pasok namin. It's currently like 7 pa lang. So, my agenda for today is like class. Then, I might buy school shoes sa Ranes. I don't know kung saan ako magbabay. It's either SF or Robinsons. Pero ang sana kasi shoes sa Robinsons kahapon nung pumunta kami ni Game. That was like really cute. So, there was like 3 inches. I don't know if that's good for like every day. Basta medyo, it was like 3-4 inches yung heels niya. So, I don't know if that's for every day kasi I do a lot of walking then. Ayan. Aesthetic yan siya. Aesthetic yan siya. Pinicture niya. Basher ako, babe.
Oo, doon tayo mambulab. Hindi kami makapag-kiss. So, ayan. Makain.
Walang pick-up coffee dito. Sa Rogmag meron.
Hindi siya cute pag
So, ano sa'yo mo about my shoe choice?
Ako sa dagdag kasi mali na yung dito. Ba't wala siya?
Nakalit.
Hi guys, ayoko sabihin sa right side. Kasi, wait lang. Kaya hindi ka lang ako nakikita. Kaya,
Cozy. Ganito pala sa Maynila. Pakaiba nga muna.
how can we go back to the...
Biglang bumaba. Biglang bumaba. Biglang bumaba. Ala, Seth! Ala ka, Seth! Ala ka, Seth! Gumagalaw siya, be.
This weekend.
Oo nga, napapansin ko din. Lalo
Sunod-sunod yung kamalasan mo. Hindi mo naisip?
nakapalit ng sobrang ganda.
Ayun din yung sinasabi ko, hindi naman nangyayari.
Oo, nasa tayo. Wala nga eh.
Napalitan ng crop.
Ay, picture dapat natin. She's on live.
Nag-picture siya, nakagano ba?
Ayun yung ganito guys. Fuji yan. Ito meron pang palaka. Ito yung mga...
Bigla lang. Oo nga. Girl, alam ko nakakabahan ako kasi dito ako maraming nakakasalubong.
Guys, I'm on the way home and I'm walking. I'm walking in heels. I'm walking home in heels. Tipsy. I'll see you at home.
I just got home and I thought my dog was here. But OMG, I just got home and dude, bought shoes yesterday, remember? These are like Parisian shoes, and these are like so comfortable. I didn't get to show them earlier, but dude, these are like so comfortable. I walked home and it's like so comfy. It's like so comfy. If you guys are wanting to buy like a shoe that you can walk with, it's these. It's these ones. Like, it's kitten heels, though it's really good for walking, because I've been walking since like 4:30. My feet isn't like, it doesn't hurt. I'm putting them in the box again, but this is the brand of the shoes that I bought that I'm wearing today. My school shoes. I didn't get to show them, but yeah, they're just black shoes. 3-inch, a 3? No, I think it's a 2-inch like heel school shoes. So yeah, I didn't get the chance to show them yesterday because I was like really tired. Actually, I'm like tipsy right now, but I'm still doing this. This is the end of the vlog for this week. Let's see next week what I have planned, I guess. But today is just really sponty, and I just wanted to take you guys along with me. And yeah, I'm actually glad while I'm editing, I edit because like every day I edit. It's a little reminder of what I did and what I've been through. Just hope you guys had a chance to enjoy this vlog as much as me, because this week was like really eventful for me, and I'm really glad that I get to take you guys with me. I'm just fixing my things right now. But yeah, today was just really sponty, nothing dramatic and stuff. Next week I have exams, so I probably don't have any plans for next week, just exams and stuff. Might be studying if I study. But yeah, also we bought rings. Me and Seth and Yana bought like friendship rings. There's like a Yas. It's YAS. It's Yana, Angelica. I already said Angelica, so it could be like funny and stuff. But we bought rings that it's engraved with a Yas on it. So yeah, it's funny, plus it's memorable. So I hope this doesn't stain my handle. But yeah, today was really fun. Though it wasn't fun when my best friend told me that my ex was also in the same place that I went to. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. So yeah, I'll see you next week. Bye.